Today, I'm taking you deep into the heart of the forest in search of the legendary waterfall that everyone's been talking about. In Hutbay, Little Andaman. And you know what? Traveling in nature isn't just about experiencing beautiful landscapes.
It's also about discovering more about yourself and finding your true life motives.
Being out here gives us the space and the solitude to reflect on what truly matters to us. It's a time for self-discovery and introspection, a time to realign our priorities and set our life on a course that brings us genuine happiness. Every moment spent in nature feels like a reminder of how amazing this world truly is. Join me on this expedition of discovery, where nature's raw beauty and human connection converge in a harmonious dance. Let's venture into the depths of the forest, seek out the hidden waterfall, and unlock the wonders that await us in the great outdoors. Subscribe to my channel for more exhilarating adventures and inspiring tales from the way we travel.
Remember, the greatest journeys begin with a single step. Are you ready to take yours? Before we get started, let us educate ourselves on the importance of preserving nature.
It's not just about enjoying the outdoors, but also about respecting it.
Our actions today will shape the future of these landscapes, and we have the power to make a positive impact. So, let's make a pledge to leave no trace and preserve the beauty around us.
In the next videos, trekking in search of the waterfall is covered. If you want to enjoy the journey, just click on the link given in the description and explore the hidden waterfall. So, let us together go out there, explore, and let nature inspire us to live your best life. And also find the changes in it.